What if you could experience real FPV drone racing from the pilot's perspective with a drone that fits in your palm? Today on Caring Guy, we're checking out the CADDXFPV Protos FPV Kit racing drone, a tiny but powerful FPV drone that comes with HD goggles, a radio transmitter, and everything you need to start flying immediately. Let's see what makes this mini drone so exciting. This ready-to-fly FPV kit comes with everything you need right out of the box. Inside the package, you'll find the Protos Mini FPV drone, an A-Link FPV goggles with HD display, a Unimaster radio controller, 3 840 mAh batteries, a 3-in-1 smart charger, a USB Type-C charging cable, spare canopy and propellers, and a protective carrying case. It's a complete kit designed for beginners and FPV enthusiasts who want to start flying without complicated setup. One of the most impressive things about this drone is its size and weight. The Protos FPV drone is only about 1.6 inches wide and weighs around 100 grams. That means it's pocket-sized, extremely portable, and easy to fly almost anywhere. Despite the small size, it uses optimized brushless motors, giving it quick acceleration and responsive control for racing and freestyle flying. This drone uses an Ascent HD digital video system with a 2-megapixel camera and 1/3-inch Starvis II sensor. It records smooth 1080p video at 60 frames per second, and the 160-degree wide-angle lens provides a wide field of view for immersive flying. The included FPV goggles feature a 4.5-inch high-resolution display, allowing you to see exactly what the drone sees in real time. This creates the classic first-person view flying experience, making it feel like you're actually sitting inside the drone. The drone is built on an A-Link ELRS control system, which delivers extremely fast response time and stable signal connection. That means smoother control and more precise maneuvers during flight. You can also perform FPV freestyle tricks like flips, rolls, and quick 180-degree spins, perfect for anyone who enjoys FPV racing or freestyle flying. The Protos FPV drone includes 3 flight modes designed for different skill levels: position hold mode, perfect for beginners who want stable hovering; self-stabilizing mode, smooth and easy cruising; and manual mode, full control for advanced FPV tricks. This makes the drone suitable for both beginners and experienced pilots. The kit includes 3 840 mAh batteries, and each battery gives about 10 minutes of flight time. That means you can enjoy over 30 minutes of flying in total. Even better, the 3-in-1 smart charger can recharge all batteries in about 20 minutes via USB-C, so you can get back in the air quickly. Overall, the CADDXFPV Protos FPV Kit offers an impressive FPV experience in a tiny, beginner-friendly package. Pocket-size mini FPV racing drone, HD digital FPV camera system, responsive ELRS radio control, 3 flight modes for all skill levels, and complete ready-to-fly kit. If you're looking for a fun and immersive FPV drone experience, this kit is definitely worth checking out. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Caring Guy, and turn on notifications for more drone and tech reviews. And tell me in the comments, would you try FPV racing with this mini drone? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.